Okay, we're back again with the extra compensation template. I showed you hourly compensation. This time I'm going to show you a stipend position. So let's just say National Honor Society typically is a stipend position. So we're going to put on here, instead of hourly, we're going to choose stipend. I'm going to put same people, Edwin, and still a teacher. It's going to be for the whole school year. And where it's going to be, this one would be for the whole school year, so 06/30/2024. Again, this is going to cover you for any of the activities that need to be done, but it's a stipend, so they're not getting hourly pay, so you're just going to press 1 for the hours, so that way the multiplier will work. And let's say the stipend is $750 for the year. That's what they get. The account likely would be different, but just for argument's sake, I'm putting in this one. Okay, and let's say you had a sub for that. You again put stipend, and John Smith is our trustee sub, and he is going to be there just in case. Again, you leave the effective start date, hours, compensation, funding source, all of that blank, because all they are doing is covering if Edwin cannot do it. And in the Send to BOE, you'll see that this looks a little different from the hourly compensation, but it's pretty much the same. And again, it reduces any flack that's happening when people are reviewing these extra compensations. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please reach out.